Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 22. Today we learn abstract classes and operator overloading. These enforce contracts and customize operators. Abstract classes define a blueprint that subclasses must follow. The @abstractMethod decorator marks methods to implement. Forgetting an abstract method raises a type error. Let us create abstract_basics.py. We import ABC and abstract method from the ABC module. Shape is abstract because it inherits from ABC. Area and perimeter are abstract, so subclasses must implement them. Rectangle implements both methods. Area is width times height. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. Circle also implements both. Area uses pi r squared, and perimeter is the circumference. Trying to create a shape directly raises a type error, because abstract classes cannot be instantiated. We loop through different shapes and call describe on each. Polymorphism means the correct method runs automatically. The total area sums all shapes using a generator expression. Triangle only defines area but not perimeter, so Python raises a type error when we try to create one. Let us review the code with that. Now let us run the code. Shape cannot be instantiated. The error lists both missing methods. The polymorphic loop calculates area and perimeter for each shape. Triangle fails because it only implements area, not perimeter. Operator overloading lets objects work with plus and equals. Python calls special methods when you use the plus sign. Dunder str controls how print shows your object. Let us create operator_overloading.py. Vector stores x and y. Dunder str returns a readable format when we print it. Dunder add creates a new vector by adding x and y together. Dundermul handles scalar multiplication, scaling both components. Dunder EQ compares x and y. Dunderlen returns the magnitude. We create two vectors and print them. Dunder str formats them nicely. Addition gives vector 4, 6 by adding each component. Dundermul scales both components. Dunderlen returns magnitude as an integer. v1 equals v3 because both have 3, 4. v1 does not equal version 2. Money validates currencies match before adding. Dunder GT and Dunder GE compare amounts for ordering. We add price and tax using plus, which calls Dunder add. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the code. Vector addition and subtraction work component by component. v1 times 3 gives 9, 12. Length is 5, the classic 3, 4, 5 triangle. Money total is 32.39 and comparisons work correctly. Our mini project combines abstract classes with operators. Song and podcast must implement a play method. Playlist uses operators for merging and searching. Let us create smart_playlist.py. Media item is our abstract base class. It requires every subclass to implement a play method. Duration_str converts seconds into a minutes and seconds format. Song extends media item and adds an artist. Play returns a formatted string with title and artist. Dunder str formats each song with title, artist, and duration. Podcast is similar but has a host instead of an artist. Both satisfy the abstract contract. Playlist combines everything. Dunder add merges two playlists with plus. Dunderlen returns the item count. Dunder contains lets us search by title. Dunder get item enables bracket indexing, like playlist at index 0. Dunder str builds a formatted display with name, count, and all items. We create a music playlist with 3 classic songs. Dunder adds supports chaining. The podcast playlist has 2 episodes. Both use the same playlist class. Merging playlists with plus creates a new playlist containing all 5 items. The in operator searches by title. Indexing retrieves individual items by position. Playing all items calls the play method on each one, showing polymorphism in action. Let us review the full code with BAT. Now let us run the smart playlist system. The music playlist shows 3 songs with durations as minutes and seconds. The merged playlist has all 5 items. Searching finds Imagine, but not Hello. Let us recap abstract classes and operator overloading. ABC enforces contracts. Forgetting a method raises type error. Dunder methods let objects use plus, equals, and other operators. Combining both gives you powerful reusable classes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we cover decorators and class methods.